Let's walk you through our digital passport and travel documents product, which is hosted on Google Drive so you can share it easily with your students. You can access this at bit.ly/digital passport 2020. There are several different things included with templates in English, Spanish, and French. So you can use this across multiple curriculums and grade levels. First thing you'll find is a plane ticket. And again, this template, you can change the information and then students can type in their names. For example, this is a sample that for a student named Bob Smith. And we're going to use the flight as the school name, the time of the class, the classroom number, and where Bob sits in on the student roster. Then we get to our passport. Again, the passport cover is available in 3 languages, so you can choose whichever one you want. And then the ID page. Again, we have this one, which is the original, what you would actually find in your passport, which has all 3 languages. Then we have one that is just French and just Spanish. So as you can see, this is the template where it says insert text. That's where you will share it with students, and students will type in that information. Example for our student Bob Smith. He has gone through, he's put a picture of himself, whether it's a class picture, whether it's a Bitmoji, and then his personal information. You will also find a visa page, a Colombian visa, where students are going to do much of the same thing, type that information in. It's really good to use the cultural, talking about the dates, talking about nationality, talking about how people have more than one last name in the Spanish-speaking world. And so Bob Smith created his. The next pages are the inside of the passport. And so some different ways that you can do this. World language teachers can use the passport in and of itself with the ID page to practice giving that biographical information. But for the inside of the passport, you might have students track their unit objectives, write I can statements, save digital badges if they've earned something, if they've done something in class, they can put an icon into their passport. You can have it as a space where students would write a reflection, whether it be about the class period, whether it be about a topic. You can use it as exit tickets. So lots of ways to use this in the classroom. Here's an example of an inside page that's broken down into 4. So you might have a student reflection section. You might have a place to store your digital badges. If you send those out to students, or if you have a space that you store them, they can copy it and paste it into their passport. Or maybe you're going to use I can statements. And again, the teacher can go through and add in some feedback, or they can add in a stamp or a Bitmoji. And so the students get that feedback as well.